Hello, welcome back again to my channel. So, I think like 8 months ago, you see, I made two videos about creating color palette, the JSON file, and then creating JSON file for global class name on the bricks builder. So yeah, I said it's kind of dumb and stupid because it's take like um, too much step to use, and now with the help of the chatGPT I actually made one plugin. It's only for testing purpose, that actually we can create a simple plugin to just generate a class name, a JSON file, and then generate the JSON file for a color palette. So later we can upload it, the JSON file, into this global class list import, and then the color palette generator import. Yeah, the two of these require a JSON file. So this plugin is like all made by ChatGPT AI, because yeah, I always say that I don't have the background for a PHP thing. So what I did is I just like uh, ask the AI to create a plugin for me with a prompt, step by step, with the first like the simple one, like create plugin for me with the name, and then the sub page. You can see here, yeah, there is like three sub page, and this is plugin, and yeah, until we ask more specific for our function. As long as like we have the logical prompt to ask, I think this is worth to try, especially for a non PHP learner, the people who don't study PHP thing, who don't study the programmer, the programming, the program, yeah, programming language thing, something like that. Now you can use this, and yeah, to just like make a simple plugin. I think this can be worth to try. So I'm gonna show you the result of the plugin made by Chat GPT AI. So the first function is the class name a generator. So I'm gonna test with the core framework, since I really um, love this free plugin version, the free version of this plugin. So let's preview CSS and download CSS file. Wait a minute. Okay, let's download the CSS file. Yeah, we already have the CSS file. Then what I need to do is just drag and drop the file and upload it. So this plugin is actually create a new folder inside the uploads folder. So this is called mangwp folder. So if I upload, and yeah, the file will save there, and there will be a list of the JSON file which result with apa namanya, which is the result of the CSS convert. Yeah, so we upload the CSS file and it converted. The function will the function in the plugin file will convert it into the JSON file, and the structure is yeah like this. There is a class name, an ID, and the setting. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah, something like this. With this one, so let's download it first. let's go to the builder. Where is my builder? Oh, here. If you see here, there are no global class names set. So I'm gonna just like import, and let's drag and drop the JSON file, and you'll see that there are like 804 global classes imported. So let's close it and let's take a look here. Yep. Now we have like class list, class name list, the list of the class name which we imported. Oops. BG is background error. Cool. And now the second function is a color palette generator. It's actually same. It will like the result will be a JSON file, but how we input the CSS variable is different from the class name generator, because what I need to do is I only need like copy the variable name. I think it's success error, yeah, like this. Just copy. And by the way, this is the HSL format, yeah. So on the plugin file, like I was struggling with this one because when I forget that we have like a different format of the color, the hex, the HSL, and then the RGB. Yeah, I forget that one. So when I try to import the hex file, it doesn't work. So I just like, how did I do that? Which one is that? Let's see. Hex. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, something like this. We need to convert if the function will check if like, oh yeah, I will show you how do I input that. So just paste all the variable name here with the value, and then enter the palette name, because we need the name for this one. Which one is that? Here, this is default. Yeah, this is the name. We need to define the name for our color palette JSON file. So let's and submit. Yeah, this is the bug, I think. Not bug, but I need to reload the page one more to see the file. See the color palette. Let's see here. This is the palette, the color palette name, and this is like the value. Our input value is HSL, right? You can see here HSL. So I need to create a function to format to check if it's HSL. If it HSL format, then convert it to hex, then convert to RGB and something. If it's like hex format, then format it to HSL, and then format it to RGB and something like that. And yeah, the name, the ID is randomly. So all this is made by a GPT AI. So let's copy this and let's download the file. And let's go to the here. Let's go to the color. Let's create, and then click import, and then let's drag our color palette JSON file. So this is the name of the color palette. Import. Let's close it and let's see. Oops, that's really convenient, I think. Then like the old video, the old tutorial I made is like it's using not really great tool. Like we need to use like Microsoft Excel, create a custom file, PHP file, It's not really convenient. But here, by using ChatGPT AI, yeah, we can do that without knowledge of the PHP. If there's in the way let's say you made one and you make one, and in the middle of process the code is not work, yeah, you need to like Google and then just like see the other plugin, see how they are doing it, yeah, just like that. Let's test by background color. Ooh, nice. Yeah, anyway, I'm just showing you this but because maybe I will release it on my GitHub. So stay on my video in case I will release it not soon, but yeah, maybe couple weeks later, because I need to work for one thing. The last thing I want to add is the CSS variable picker. So I saw on the advanced themer plugin, it's really cool idea. Like if we click here, it should be show up the CSS variable we have, so we can choose it instead of like writing like this for primary or for space, yeah, blah blah blah. I think that's a really cool idea. Like if you have like a pop-up, if you click this and there is some model which we can pick the value, and then yeah, just something like that. Yeah, I think that's the only one, that's the only thing I need to add to this plugin function. Yeah, I think yeah, that's really enough, I think, for have 3 kind of this function for just a simple helper to make our work faster and better, I think. Yeah, anyway, just wait for me. If you like, I will recommend you to buy a plugin that do this, because if you buy the plugin, you will have the support team. So if you have like trouble with the plugin, you can ask them and maybe they will help to solve the problem. But if you don't have the budget and you need this kind of the function for your website, especially for bricks builder, yeah, you can just like wait for me to release this into my GitHub. So I think this is enough. Yeah, thank you for, actually I really appreciate if you guys watching my videos, and of course I never say like subscribe me now, but yeah, it's up to you. If you feel like my content is good enough, then just subscribe and like. If you have any question and suggestion, please comment on the comment box down below. And thank you for watching. Happy coding. See you, bye bye on the next video.